What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Hold Me While You Wait by Capaldi. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will double punch you in the back of the head and break your eyeballs off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, so this song is in standard tuning. We're going to capo up to the 4th fret. There's only a few different chords that you need to know for this song, and if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need that, jump into the video description. Once you get done, it's there for you. We're going to start off with the structure of the song. So this song is going to be verse, chorus, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus out, where the first verse is twice as long as the second verse, and the second chorus is twice as long as the first chorus. So whatever we play in the first verse, you're going to play it half as long in the second verse. Whatever we play in the first chorus, you're going to play it twice as long in the second chorus. Then you get the bridge, and then you get the chorus out. So starting with the chords for the first verse, it starts with a G major chord. It's 3 2 0 0 0 3. And then B minor, which is 0 2 4 4 3 2. And then C major, which is 0 3 2 0 1 0. Then it goes back to G. Then it goes back to B minor. Back to C. Then it goes to E minor. Then to G, and then to D, back to E minor, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0, back to G, and then back to D. Now your strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up throughout all the chords. It looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. This is where you switch to your E minor. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. You let it ring out, and then it goes into the chorus. So I'm going to play through the entire first verse one time through so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. After that, we're going to jump into the chorus. The chord progression for the chorus is going to be G, B minor, E minor, and D. It's going to be with that same strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Now, like I said, after the chorus, you jump right back into the next verse. It's played half as many times as the first verse. Then you jump into the chorus again. It's played twice as many times as the first chorus. Then it jumps immediately into the bridge. And the chord progression for the bridge is going to be C, D, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2, E minor, G, C, D, and then just one strum on E minor, and it just rings out until it jumps back into the chorus. And these are all just single strums. So that entire thing just happens single strum one time through, and then it jumps back into the chorus. It looks like this. I'll do it one more time and then I'll jump back into the chorus so you can see what it looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.